Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is a review on Toy Factory Ultraset setting powder. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. This is how the setting powder looks like. On my phone, I'm reading out claims about this setting powder. It claims it is translucent, which is infused with niacin, which is supposed to give you hydrating all day and is supposed to reduce the appearance of pores to stop the enlarged pores while help tightening and soften the skin. And it's supposed to lock in moisture all day. It retails for $30 and it's available at Toy Factory website. Okay, so this is the powder, how it looks like. I love the pink packaging, so pretty. So this is in the shade translucent. Okay, so I'm just gonna like pour some right here. So I just pour some on the cap. And I'm going to take my brush and I have concealer on, so I'm just going to set my concealer in. With this translucent shade. So I'm going to take some more. You can see very white translucent shade. Just like set the concealer in. It's very moisturized. It's not drying whatsoever. Not cakey. It's very moisturizing. This setting, usually setting powders leaves your face very chalky, and then your under your eyes will become very cakey as you like set your makeup in. My honest opinions about this Toy Factory niacin infused translucent setting powder. The first thing I like about it is that it wasn't cakey. I felt the moisture in it. They were definitely telling the truth, and I know it has niacin because I could feel it. I could really feel what they are talking about. They were telling the truth. I really like because normal like setting powders, they are very chalky like, and they leave under your eyes very cakey. So as I applied it with my brush, it was very blendable. Like, it did not cake under my eyes. I just really like it. It is just amazing. This is a first impression, so I definitely have to try this product out more, but so far I just really like it. It was very creamy going under your eye. I could feel the moisture and the niacin that it has in it, because if it has niacin, it makes it very moisturizing and it doesn't feel dry going onto your skin. So that's why I just really like it. No cakiness whatsoever. I just really like this product. So for first impression, I love the fact that it's infused with niacin, which is amazing skincare ingredient for your skin. Second, I love the fact that it was very moisturizing going under my eye, setting my concealer in. Just really like it. Very buildable with the brush. Wasn't cakey whatsoever. Remember, it retails for $30 and it's available at Toy Factory website. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this review, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.